everybody, what we have today is I don't know if, I'm not going to call it a mega box, but I guess it kind of is. I ordered it directly from Panini's new online store. I talked about this in my recent playoff break video where I'd opened a similar box. This one it cost less than half of the price of the hobby box, but yet you still get 3 hits, 1 auto, 2 mem. So it provides a lot of value, but I'm guessing that as often the case with retail, that you probably don't have a chance at getting a great autograph. I mean, don't quote me on that, I don't know for sure. I've never pulled a really good stud star autograph out of one of these boxes. I don't think it's possible because I've opened a ton, but I don't know 100% for sure. I mean, if you pull a Saquon or a Baker out of this, please comment below and let me know that it is possible. But anyways, I think at the price that it's at with 3 hits, it still provides a good bit of value for the money, especially compared to the price that the hobby boxes right now are up to like $150. It's crazy. There's that, if anybody wants to see it. Lots of possibilities as far as parallels go. There are, what did I already say? I think it's 10 packs. It says unwrap 2 parallels numbered to 99 or less. Look for 1 stunning Optichrome insert plus 12 rookies. I mean, yeah, it's, oh, there it is, 10 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. I think I said it the other way around. I mean, that's okay. I'd rather just give me the goods. Alright, Devonta Freeman, Aaron Rodgers, Marlon Mack, Case Keenum, Luke Kuechly. Dang, Ronald Jones, stop following me. I love the Crusades, but dang. That is not numbered. But man, that's a gorgeous card. And then there's a Saquon rookie. Lamar Jackson, precision passers. Calvin Ridley rookie, and Sam Hubbard rookie. That was an awesome first pack. Happy with that. Other than the Crusade being Ronald Jones, who won't stop following me around. Le'Veon Bell, Aaron Donald, Corey Davis, Gerald McCoy, Matthew Stafford, Josh Norman, Josh Rosen, precision passers, Daurice Fountain. That is a longevity parallel to 75. And that is a rookie card. Micah Kiser and Harold Landry rookies. Kelvin Benjamin, Roethlisberger, Allen Robinson, Jordan Reed, Richard Sherman, a Alvin Kamara jersey. Well, that's pretty good. Can't argue with that, can you? NFL Authentic. Cool. Take that. DeAndre Hopkins, Touchdown Club, Action Packed, Amari Cooper, Mason Rudolph rookie, and Deshaun Hand rookie. Joey Bosa, Allen Hurns, Cousins, Tyrod Taylor, Michael Thomas, Khalil Mack, Touchdown Club, Brady, a Nick Chubb. Wow, that looks good. Stellar rookies, purple, /65. Nice. And then a Nick Chubb base rookie. An Arden Key rookie. Good pack again. I think I like this better than the playoff box. There's Tom Brady, Kareem Hunt, Jay Ajayi, Andy Dalton, Robbie Anderson, Nick Chubb jersey. Year 1 jersey. This has been a really good box. Cam Newton. Now, if I could just knock on wood, don't get points in place of my autograph. Standing ovation, Julio, Traquan Smith rookie, and Rashaan Evans rookie. Some good rookies in this box too. Last pack. Should be the autograph or points. I'm worried about getting points, but hopefully not. Todd Gurley, Derrick Henry, Kamara, Amari Cooper, Carson Wentz, Mike Hughes is going to be the autograph, and it is a longevity parallel to 75. Alright, not bad, not bad, not bad. Jarvis Landry, Von Miller star-studded, and Mike White, Trey Flowers. Like the playoff box, I feel like this actually presents a lot of value. If you want to open some rookies and stars, but you don't want to pay $150 a box, this is definitely a viable alternative. Again, I don't think you're going to pull a Saquon autograph out of here, but I don't know for sure. Maybe you could. Who knows? I didn't expect to get a Kamara and Nick Chubb jersey out of this either. I figured it'd be some scrub, so I definitely could be wrong. If you have pulled anything good out of these boxes, please comment below and let me know. I'm really curious. I'd love to hear a success story from these types of boxes to make me feel more justified in buying them in the future. So, alright, that's it. This was actually a really fun break, better than I expected. I'm really happy with this and the playoff break. I think I might check the site and see if they have more of these available. Again, I got this and the playoff box directly from the Panini's new revamped site with their online shop. So each box was like right in the $50 range, maybe less, and shipping was free. So kind of tough to beat it. Alright, thanks for watching. Everybody, please like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications if you want to be notified of future breaks. And that's it. Hope everybody's doing well, and I'll talk to you all soon.